the learning objectives for Module 4 by Dr. Bev Knox, titled Humanistic and Existential Theories. We will review Maslow's holistic dynamic theory, Rogers's person-centered theory, and May's existential psychology. The humanistic existential theory is one that promotes better self-awareness. It encourages personal growth by placing a higher level of focus on what the current reality offers each individual. Then, by looking for specific patterns and finding ways to alter them, it becomes possible to achieve more than if those patterns were not analyzed. This helps each person find their own meaning to life. In psychotherapy, however, humanistic and existential theories are very different from one another. On its own, the humanistic theory suggests that every human is trying to find the best way to be the best version of themselves on a daily basis. The existential theory suggests that the primary motivation of humanity is to search and eventually find the meaning of life. The humanistic existential theory attempts to combine the similarities of both theories into one meaningful psychotherapeutic option. Maslow stands alongside Rogers as one of the founders of humanistic psychology. Maslow was well known for his work on self-actualization and had a significant impact on the field of management. His fame in both psychology and business makes him a candidate for being perhaps the best-known psychologist of all time, though Freud was certainly more famous. Person-centered therapy, also referred to as non-directive, client-centered, or Rogerian therapy, was pioneered by Carl Rogers in the early 1940s. This form of psychotherapy is grounded in the idea that people are inherently motivated toward achieving positive psychological functioning. The client is believed to be the expert in their life and leads the general direction of therapy, while the therapist takes a non-directive rather than a mechanistic approach. Rollo May, a trailblazing psychologist, dared to explore the depths of the human psyche, unveiling the profound significance of existentialism in understanding our innermost struggles and triumphs. His work revolutionized the field of psychology.